Okay guys, so today I'm going to show to you how to do setup regarding our SAci ammeter, digital meter. Okay, so as what you see here, this is SAci meter model AHM1. Alright, so before we proceed, we need to switch on our power supply. So here, this is the navigation area. So right now, we're going to switch on our supply here. Alright, so as what you see, this is our system voltage. Okay, so this is our system voltage. Face to face, okay, line 1 to line 2 to line 3. Alright, so one supply available. So we're going to switch on now our meter. So okay, so this is the meter right now. We're going to give supply. Okay, so let's switch on our fuse. So this is the control fuses what we have. We have total of 5 control fuse. So once we are going to close fuse number 1, that is for indication lamp line 1. Okay, red. Fuse number 2 is for line 2, which is the yellow. Okay, and then fuse number 3 is for our line 3, blue. Alright, so here we have also the digital meter from FQ4. This is for our digital meter. And for our breaker, as what you see here right now, is still in discharge position with this off position because still there's no supply for our main breaker through motor. Okay, so once we are going to close, our main breaker will automatically charge. So now alright, so now it's the charge position. At the same time, our illuminated now, the green indication lamp is now glowing. Alright, so now we are going to navigate our digital meter. We are going to set the language. So right now the default language is Spanish because this is made in Spain, so that's why the default language is Spanish. So now we are going to change the language into English. So we are going to press this arrow from left. Alright, so here we are going to enter. Okay, configuration, enter, enter, enter. This is the user password. So we have 00 and 1. So after that, press enter. Basico means basic. Alright, so this is now we're going to scroll down the navigation. So lenguaje means Spain, so this is Spanish, so need to change to English. Alright, after changing to English, press OK. So now the language changed to English right now. So back. Now we are going to do the setting for the signal inputs, which is incorporated the size of the main breaker, including the CT, current transformer. So we need to enter from here. So as what you see here, wiring, we have 3-phase 4 wire with 3P4W, means 3-phase 4 wire, and frequency which is 60 Hz. We need to change this one from 50, we need to change to 60 Hz. So we need to incorporate the same as the Hertz what mentioned in our panel system voltage. So this is the panel system voltage. So once it's done, we need to scroll down. So this is the 60 Hz. Press enter. Okay, once done, we need to press the enter. Okay, and then as what you see here, we need to scroll down to go to the another menu. Okay, menu. So here, this is the secondary voltage. So what we have here, this is our system voltage, which is 400. Start for 400. Alright, and then enter. So if we are going to enter, just press enter and enter. Okay, this is our ampere. So the ratio, this is a secondary ampere of the current transformer, which is 5 ampere. So this is okay. We are going to show to you later on the size of the CD should be the same. Alright, so if this no changes, we need to scroll down. Okay, so this is the primary voltage also we have, so the same. Alright, so this is primary ampere, so we have to change it to 1600. Why 1600? Because our main breaker is maximum 1600 ampere, including our CT, the current transformer. So now we're going to change to 1, enter. Now we need to change to 6. Alright, so here. Okay, so once you set already, so press enter one time. So that is done. You need to escape. Once more, escape. Do you want to save the changes? You have the prompt message. Just press OK, yes. Alright, so your setup is done. Okay, so here as what you see, these are the screen menu. What we have here, this is the voltage for line to neutral. Okay, so this is the system L plus N. So this is line to neutral voltage. Then next scroll down, L to L, so you have line to line. So 374, 371, 371 and some point something. So this is based on the voltage fluctuation, so that's why we have like this. Okay, and so right now this current, right now we don't have the current reading. There's no any reading value right now, so that's what you see 00 because we don't have the load. Alright, so here to ensure that the setting which is we set earlier is okay, we need to double check. So right now the same as the previous menu what we have done for the setup. So go here, enter, then the password 000 0 and then 1. Alright, so enter. Now we scroll down, inputs, we need to check if it changes. See, before it was 50 and now it's 60. Alright, let's move down and check. So 1600 is already stored there. So just in case you want to change this one, you need just to navigate the arrow from up and down only. So you are going to change, like for example, you need to increase, or you need to increase, you need to increase through this arrow. Alright, so if you want to decrease, you need to use this arrow also, bottom, the down arrow, arrow up, arrow down. Alright, so that's it. This is how to do the setup on our digital meter. So HM1 digital meter. So we are going to escape now. So we are not going to do any setup right now. So escape. You want to save the changes? No, because we did not change anything. So let's go back to main screen. So let's move to the measure. So alright, so that is the purpose of our setup. So it should be incorporated the size of the main breaker, which is the same 1600, and it should